Your Mr. Pampanga 2024 is
I know for a fact that I am a Mr. Pampanga who is not only masanting but also motivating. Thank you.
Let us all welcome the pride of Pampanga, the true embodiment of excellence and integrity, Mr. Pampanga 2024, Krishna Yasser Rodriguez.
As I take these final steps on the stage, wearing the title of Mr. Pampanga for the last time, my heart is filled with gratitude, pride, and humility. This journey has been more than just a competition. It has been a transformation. Along the way, I discovered strength, learned valuable lessons, and understood the true meaning of how you represent Pampanga. To my fellow candidates, thank you for the friendship, inspiration, and the unforgettable memories we have shared together. To my handler, Samantha Santos, thank you for your guidance, patience, and unwavering support. To the people behind the Mr. Pampanga organization, especially Sir Jomel, Ma'am Jane, Kuya Brian, Ma'am Nika, Sir Ryan, Postura, Joko, Jasmine, thank you for your trust and for making this journey possible. To my family, friends, and supporters, thank you for being my strength and foundation. And of course, to the people of Pampanga, thank you for trusting me to carry your name with pride and honor. Excellence. Excellence taught me to always rise above challenges. Honor reminded me to live with respect and humility. Integrity kept me true to myself even beyond the spotlight. Legacy inspired me to leave something meaningful behind. And of course, purpose. Purpose will continue to guide me long after this crown is passed on. I may be taking off the crown, but I will never remove the values, lessons, and purpose that came with it. And as I leave the stage tonight, I do so not only as a former king, but as a man forever shaped by this journey, ready to continue serving, inspiring, and rising beyond the crown. I am Krishna Yasser Rodriguez, and wherever life takes me, one thing will always remain true. I was, I am, and I will always be proud to be your Mr. Pampanga.